Hello, my friends. I hope you all are doing well. Do you know how to make an arrangement in a bud vase? Well, I don't, but we're all about to learn from my friend Liza Overmyer of Infiore Florals. And Liza, thank you for being here today.
Of course, I'm so excited. Bud vases are some of my favorite things to do because they are so easy and simple for the home or events, and they just instantly elevate a space from a guest bathroom to a tablescape. They're just some of the best to style, and they're so easy.
Well, Liza, you were a huge hit with your last video teaching us how to do large arrangements.
Yes.
But I want to just show you all what Liza has styled for a dinner party that I'm having, and then she's going to show us how to do it ourselves. Okay, so I have these beautiful et-tu home, and I'll link to all of these in the captions, in the comments. These are from et-tu home. They're European style wine glass bud vases, and look how beautiful. She styled one, and then she's going to show us how to style the other. Liza, can you start by just giving a few ideas of what we've done here, and then you can actually show us?
Yes, so first I'll just tell you what all of the flowers are that I chose to put in here, and I guess kind of why I chose them. So this is called Stock, and this is like a buttercream color, one of my favorites. It's just cream, balances out stark white really well and just softens it really nicely.
Stock.
S-T-O-C-K.
Okay, Stock. And is this readily available like at Trader Joe's or?
I've never seen it at Trader Joe's, but Davis Wholesale has it all the time, and they're open to the public. You don't have to be a florist to go there, and they have it all the time, tons of it. So now, it's some of my favorite.
Davis Wholesale is fabulous. It's in Birmingham. Where might you get that if you live somewhere not Birmingham?
I would say a wholesale place that's open to the public. I've never seen Stock at a grocery store or Trader Joe's or anything like that before.
Is there something else that would be a substitute that might look similar that you might find at Trader Joe's or Fresh Market? I've seen some white, what are they called? They're
gladiolas?
Gladiolas.
Yes,
so would a gladiola
usually have that at Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. Actually, I got some from there this week, so that would work. The only thing is their stems are really thick, but any linear flower like this is what these are called, where it grows up the stem, will give a really great like depth and balance to the whole bud vase. So any kind of linear flower will work that you can find at a grocery store.
And linear means it grows up, right? Okay.
Yes, like it doesn't just have one bud, it grows up the stem.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. It has all these little, I'm learning so much. Okay, so we have the Stock. So what else do we have?
Yes, so the Stock, I always choose at least one linear flower in my bud vases. And then these are white ranunculus.
Ranunculus.
Yes, and you can get these at Trader Joe's, I believe. And they are just so soft and beautiful. I love them.
And you have two?
Just two. Yep, two in there. And then these are white dahlias, and they are beautiful and in season right now. So I'm sure Trader Joe's has them.
Dahlias, that's Dahlias, dahlias.
Yes.
I've seen that term, but I did not know. These are lovely, and they're seasonal.
Dahlias. Yes, they're seasonal from like now until the end of November, I think. So
from August.
They're very beautiful right now.
Okay, dahlias. Okay, and then what are these?
These are just the dahlia buds.
Oh, these are dahlia buds.
Yep.
I love that. Now, did you have to buy the buds separate from this, or did they all come in one?
They just all come on a stem, and I kind of just cut it. I like the buds in there because it's like just a little more whimsical, and
I love that.
Add some more visual weight.
Okay, now this is what I've been wanting to know, everyone. I'm obsessed with this. What is this,
Everyone
Liza?
is. Every time I use this, people love it.
Oh,
this is called hanging amaranthus. It comes in like 2 or 3 different colors. This color green and like a deep Merlot color.
Oh, it comes in a Merlot, like the color of your dress?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, for Christmas. But now this to me is just gorgeous.
I love amaranthus so much.
So how did you make the amaranthus drape down, or does it have...
It naturally does that. It's hanging, so it's like they all drape down.
Oh my goodness.
I love them.
Okay, and I've
They
just...
add so much interest.
I want to show you. Now, Liza, did you intentionally make it look so pretty in the stem, or did it just fall? Okay, so guys, I could not have have just stuck them in. So there's a method. How do you get them to be pretty? Because you can see.
I can show you if we want to go ahead and
Yes.
start styling one.
And guys, I just want to show you, I would put this, of course, anywhere, but I'm going to get rid of my fake.
Yes.
And then look how beautiful. Oh my
So
goodness.
beautiful right there.
It just totally elevates that space.
It really does.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
But I'm going to bring it back over
Beautiful.
here. Okay, so Liza. Oh, Liza, we have another one. We're going to put all these on my table, but so we have a different size.
Yes.
And this has a different shade. To Home offers several shades. This is
Beautiful. I love
denim.
these.
I think that's sage. So how did you do this one a little differently?
Yes, so this one, because it's smaller than that one, I just did 3 different stems. And I don't know if y'all remember from the last video, I talked about using odd numbers in threes. So I don't know if anyone actually noticed this, but this obviously does not have odd numbers, but it has an odd number of stems in it. So if you'll notice, like there's ranunculus, dahlia, and stock.
So even though you've got more than 3 stems, it balances it because you have 3
different textures. Yes.
Oh, and you know, I've always heard that you work in odds. Is it something in our brain that just, it's an aesthetic thing that we
I
think
think it
odds
is.
so balance?
I don't know why, but
it
I
works.
just know that that's a thing. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to
Yes.
put these here, and you're going to show us. Which one would you like?
Let's do the blue one first. Denim.
Okay.
Okay, so in order to make the stems look pretty, I'll show you all how to do that too. But so
Okay.
we've got our linear flower, our stock. You can use delphinium or snapdragons, things like that.
We'll
So-
list all of these in the comments
Yes.
caption.
So I'm gonna point my stock in the way that I want it to go. And then I take my ranunculus and kind of cross it over that stem
Before you put it in.
before I put it in. So I do this, and I've got my stems already pre-cut so that I know where they're gonna land once I put them in here.
You mean you've got them cut where you know the height of these?
Yes.
Okay, that's another great thing to think about.
Yes.
You need to think ahead and trim them to the
Yes.
height. Okay, that's very helpful.
So we've got these stems crossed.
Now, Liza, are most
Yes.
bud vases going to have, like, the opening for that one is like that? Is that pretty typical? Most of them have enough room for you to do this?
I
Put
would
2
say
stems
so.
at a time? Okay.
Yeah, I would definitely say so. And then we're gonna do the same thing, cross our other stem over this way so they're kind of just all in like crisscross same direction in unison. And then I'm gonna do the same with the little dahlia buds. So they're all just in a little line like this. And then I'm going to put all of them together in the vase. They all spread out and stay together, but they're still crisscross the same way that I place them.
I'm sorry, this is mind-blowing to me. Y'all, literally what I would be doing is I would get this and I would start sticking things in here and it would look crazy. This is so helpful, Liza.
Yes.
So, number 1, you get them out and you cut them according to the height
Yes.
that you want them to be. Then you arrange them where the bottom stems look pretty and you put them all in together.
Yes, correct.
That's mind-blowing. I'm sorry. Y'all let me know if y'all's mind is blown as well in the comments. This is exquisite, and
Thank you.
once you understand, it's so much easier and less overwhelming. Okay.
Right.
And then look at this beautiful one. So what we're doing in there, and you have some tips, you just sort of, you're making a table, instead of one large arrangement, you're just placing these
Yes,
on the
we're
table.
doing a tablescape with bud vases
So
scattered.
it's scattered. Okay.
Yes.
All right, now y'all, we have this tall one, and then we have some babies over there that we're
Yes.
going to do.
So
Okay.
this one is really fun and can create a lot of interest too, just with the different heights and our hanging amaranthus again, which is my favorite. So
Okay, can y'all see where the water, Liza, let me push this up.
yes,
It's right there. Because I'm assuming, Liza, we have to get everything to the water.
Yes, well usually since this one is so skinny, usually when I put stems down down into the water, it'll come up so fast that I'll only ever fill it up about this much.
Okay, now I do have a question.
Yes.
You're not putting them in together. Is this because of the different shape? Like you're not doing what you did here where you're arranging them?
Right.
Is it because there's not much you can do?
Right.
Okay.
And this one's going to be going just like out a little more because it's so tall. So that's just how I chose to do it, honestly.
Okay. I'm taking good notes. I'm going to try this.
Yes. Okay, so now we have, these are called butterfly ranunculus. They're some of my favorite too. They're just a lot more like wispy, whimsical than these ranunculus right here. So I'm just going to go
Ranunculus. Okay.
and place these to where they just kind of like
Oh,
flow over the top.
Y'all, does this not look like you spent $1 million? Now we will link to
They're so
Vases. We'll write down all of this information. And if, of course, if you live anywhere in the Birmingham area, Fiore Florals can take care of this. But this, oh my goodness.
Yes. We may actually need to add a little bit more water to this, but
Now, do you add water with this adorable little...
I do.
Oh, y'all
I
look.
love my little watering
You're going
can.
to put more water?
Yeah,
So really there is a
in there
use
right
for a watering can besides looking cute. You can
Oh
actually
yeah,
use
I
it.
love my watering can.
Oh my goodness. And we'll link to your watering can because it's so pretty. Love the color.
And then I just place that dahlia nice and high in there. Let's see if I can get a little water down in here.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Liza, would you put this, like I'm telling you, I think I want to keep this one here because I'm going to have people coming in and out.
Yeah.
Would you maybe let this stand alone in the middle of a
Yeah,
island?
you definitely could.
Or just put it on a table, an
Yeah, on a
entryway.
table.
Oh, if you're having a
Definitely.
shower, the registry
Yes.
book, you could put it right there.
Absolutely. Yes.
Oh.
Because this adds such just great height differentiation, a lot more interest than just a plain old. It's kind of sad.
And I am assuming that you know when you have to stop because there's no more room.
Yes.
Okay.
And this
Okay.
one runs out of room quickly because it's very skinny. Like we might be done now. Yeah.
Okay.
But even just with a few stems in it, with that height differentiation and the whimsical blooms popping out from the butterfly ranunculus, and then these amaranthus hanging down, you just got a lot going on. So
I'm speechless. No, I'm serious, y'all. You would see this at a very nice event, which you do those, so I'm not surprised, but this is just exquisite.
thank you.
Okay, now before we go style these on the table, everyone, I've got some babies. I got these from Liza, and I want her to show me how to use these. And Liza, you said you
These
love
are so fun.
putting these like in a bathroom because
Yes.
I'm sure you put fresh flowers in every room.
I do.
Okay, which is the
You
southern
can tell
thing.
that a florist lives there for sure.
Yes, well, I know the southern ladies like to put fresh flower, at least a touch of it everywhere.
Yes.
So what are we going to do? Which one do you want?
Yes.
Now this is the one that I want to know what you're going to do with.
That one? I love this one actually. It's
I'm
so
dying
fun.
to know what you are going to do with this baby. Do you want me
I'll
to put
show
water
you.
in it?
Yes. Either way, we can use my, I'll fill this one up too.
I mean-
Watering can.
This is, and you know, when you're having parties, and we're in August, so we're going into the holiday season, I think we all agree having fresh flowers, it just makes your home feel more welcoming
It does. It's
More-
so hospitable.
and more pulled together and more special. Friends, I live near a Trader Joe's, and I'm going to take all these tips and I'm going to see what I can do. But okay, so what are we doing?
I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with another one of these butterfly ranunculus just because I love them. And then stock our linear flower to go in there to add some weight to the top. So we're going to do that and crisscross them.
Oh, and guess what? We don't have to do because of this vase. We don't
Worry
have
about
to.
the stems.
Don't have to worry about arranging the stems. Okay.
Yep, this one actually may not fit in here, so we might just have to go in with these two, but that's just fine.
So you want different heights, and you want some that go
Yes.
over and some with leaves.
Yeah, you've got your stalk here, and then you've kind of got your butterfly ranunculus reaching up here and hanging down to the bottom. So just a lot of interest and different visual weight.
Can I try one and then
Yes.
you can do the baby? Okay, now guys, she
Absolutely.
did not prep me for this, so I'm just gonna see if I learned well I love this watering can. Feel like you know what you're doing. You've got this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to start with the stock. Then I'm going to go with the ranunculus.
There you go.
And I need something that drapes. Now that sort of falls a little bit.
Yeah, that's great.
And then, actually, I need this. I'm going to try to get all this together.
Let's see if it'll fit in there.
Let's see.
That looks lovely.
Oh, we'll see.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
You got it.
I think it worked.
Beautiful.
Okay, guys, it works. I can't do anything and make it pretty, but this is easy. Liza, thank you. Now, can we show everyone what this looks like on the table?
Yes, of course. My
Okay.
favorite part.
Yes, okay. Okay, everyone, look at this.
So beautiful.
This is so beautiful.
So easy too.
Okay, and I am going to say, Liza, normally I would say I could never do this, but you
can.
did a fabulous job. Y'all, she is the best teacher, and this is her business, and she's so graciously and generously sharing her tricks of the trade. Thank you for this.
Of course.
But I will tell you, I told her she's going to be arranging mine for parties when there's a lot going on, but I feel that she's taught me and those of you who are watching how to do this on our own if we want to or have to.
Absolutely.
I will link to all of these, and I think I have a discount code, all of the wine vases, as well as these beautiful candle holders with candles. All of these I have a discount code for. And Liza, you said you love mixing candles with bud vases. What tips do you have? Like, because you put this together, I don't know that I would know exactly how to make it look like this. So what are your tips for styling the table once you get it?
I would say like varying height again. Like if you picture yourself looking at this table from another room or something, like you kind of see one cohesive thing. It's not like all candles on this side and then the bud vases, clumped together. It's, balanced and visually appealing to look at because of all the different heights. We've got our like heaviest one in the middle, so it balances, just things like that. So I would say that. And then just the same overall like texture, if that makes sense. Like these are very soft and feminine, and so are the candles, and so are the plates, and just everything like that is cohesive. So that's what I think makes it like as visually appealing as it is.
I asked you if you could make it soft and ethereal, and that's exactly what you've done. This is a romantic,
it is.
Just an elegant table. Liza, I know that everyone else is going to want you to come back. Will you come back and maybe do a holiday?
Absolutely. I'm so ready for Christmas and just Thanksgiving and fall and stuff like that. Christmas with like magnolia leaves. And,
and I have magnolia trees out there.
Yes.
So we'll pick them from out there. And everyone, follow Liza on Instagram. She's at Infiore Florals. I'll link to all of that. And her Instagram I love because she shows all of her different creations, and I'll text her, I want this one, I want this one. So anyway, beautiful, beautiful. And if you are in Birmingham, well, actually for events, you will travel and
I will.
Okay, so but I'm sure you're talking mainly in the southeast.
Yes.
Okay.
Mainly in the southeast.
Okay.
A drivable distance.
A drivable distance.
Yes.
So, Liza, this is one of my favorite pieces of content ever. I feel so empowered, and I hope that you all do as well. And as always, thank you for following along. If you like the content, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And as always, until next time, be blessed and stay savvy.